Hey everyone, this is Rahman from Science Lover. Today we are going to analyze data on novel coronavirus outbreak. Okay. First, we collect available data from the official website of World Health Organization. After taking the data on our Excel sheet, here we see the numbers of affected by the date, and we also see the severe illness and inside and outside of China. Then we see the growth or change, which is the new patient is day, and we get the growth rate as well, and then we include the numbers of dates and the new date by every day and the growth in the number of date. Okay, then using the table we plot some graphs. This is the numbers of patients. The first one is the number of patients, and this one is severely ill people, and this is the change every day, and this is the growth rate. Then we also plot the graphs or date as well. This is the number of dates, this is the new date every day, and this is the growth rate in the rate of date. Then here we introduce a new concept, which is this. This is the ratio of the affected people in outside of China and inside China, the ratio. And we also introduce a ratio, which is the ratio between severely ill people and all the patients, and the average of the ratio between inside China and outside. We introduce a pie chart. Here we can see the outside China is only 1.5%, and the rest 98.5 is inside China. We also plot the severely illness people and death. Now analyzing the graphs, we can see the growth rate is decreasing. The growth rate is decreasing. Here we can see this is a sharp upturn, and here we see the sharp upturn too. Here we see the sharp upturn too. Then last 3 days the growth rate is decreasing, and as well as we can see a delay between the peaks of the patients and the peaks of the dead people. I guess there is a 2 days delay. So we can come to a conclusion that if we put 9,000, then we see, wait a second, okay, so we can see that this is a little unusual, so we have to like 9800, then yes, or a little more than 9860. okay, yeah, this is the perfect. And for the day there's flat, and there's the 2, then there's a decreasing, and we can expect a decreasing, and also this one is decreasing too, but we can expect a real decreasing, like it is 220. Let us copy the formula here and here. Okay, yes, 225. Yes, so we hope the situation will turn under control soon. So that's it for today. Bye.